Whoa, 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 whoa. I have a spell I'm going to be doing for P. Diddy or Puff Daddy. Here I have a pigeon in my hand. It's called a dove. And this is a magical spell. What you do, you go into an open place, into a room, and you call the name of the individual. If they are in bandage, so he's in bandage, and I'm going to call his name and let go of this bird, and if it flew through any of the door, he will be released from bandage. So let's do it. As I let go of this bird, I said, okay, P. Daddy must be free. And it's flying around. Now, catch it again. P. Daddy must be free. No. No. P. Daddy must be free. P. Daddy must be free. Watch me again. P. Daddy must be free. And he do not leave. So that means he's going to go to jail. See? He's not leaving the dwelling. This is May 27. One more time, and this will be the 6th time. P. Daddy must be free. P. Daddy must be free. Free P. Daddy. See? Do not leave the dwelling. And that's what's going to happen. It doesn't matter what happened, he's going to be staying in jail. And that's what you call magic. I did this trick, and that bird will not leave the dwelling.